are with our player of the game in this Alaska Meralco semifinal match. RJ Azul from the Aces with 18 points, 2 assists, 3 steals, and 6 out of 9 from the field. RJ, congratulations. That was a huge win. Now, how does it feel to get the first win and also being involved or making the big plays for your team?
Siyempre, mahalaga yung first win. Pero, naman, 1 win pa lang yun eh. So, we have to make 3 to advance to the finals. So, ganun pa rin.
Can you tell us gaano ba ka-difficult or challenging ang mga practices now that you guys, are missing Vic and also JV Casio and an injured Calvin Abueva here and in the end part of the game?
Siyempre, sobrang laking kawalan nila. Pero siyempre, as a team, we have to play and step up, di ba? Pero maganda kasing game plan namin. Tsaka we play better defense at the end. We won because of our defense talaga.
Yes, that's right. And meron ka bang mga gustong batiin ng mga fans or sabihin na natin mga kapamilya mo or mahal sa buhay?
Siyempre, unang-una, salamat sa Diyos. Nanalo kami, nakuha namin game 1. Binabati ko siyempre yung wife ko, si Terry, si Jari, and si Sky. Tsaka mga family namin. Tsaka sa Alaska fans, hopefully game 2 makuha natin. Tsaka kay Boss Danny, salamat.
All right, thank you very much and congratulations, RJ Azul, our best player of the game.